2004 Ford F-150, no crank, no start, no power to the cluster. When I turn the key on, the theft light blinks really fast. No light, internal lights. Radio doesn't work. Windows don't work. Found on a forum, and I will place the link to the forum in the description. Ground wire goes right here. You can see that it's rusted really bad. When I tried to take the bolt out, it broke right off. So I've drilled and tapped a new hole right there. When I ground that, internal lights come on and everything does work. So I'm going to attach the mounting screw to it, and then the truck will start. See, cab lights are on. Radio works. Light doesn't blink like it's... And then we can get it to start. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps people. Good luck on yours. Thank you.